You have no idea how much a woman judges you by one single hug. Yes, one. One moment, one pull, one breath, one touch. And here's the dark secret most men never learn. A woman decides whether she can feel safe with you, trust you, desire you, or crave you based on how your body communicates in that hug. Today, I'm going to tell you 4 simple psychological triggers women feel during a hug. Triggers that instantly make her want you more, even if she tries to hide it. And trust me, women always pretend it's just a hug. It never is. Think about it. Every hug is a conversation, a silent negotiation between two bodies, a test that happens beneath the surface of polite social interaction. She's reading you, your confidence, your presence, your masculine energy, your comfort with intimacy, all in the span of 3 to 5 seconds. Most men completely miss this opportunity. They hug like they're handling a fragile piece of furniture, stiff, awkward, disconnected, or worse. They hug with desperation, too tight, too long, too needy. Both send the exact same message. I don't know what I'm doing with women. But when you understand what a woman is truly feeling in that moment, when you know exactly which psychological buttons to press, everything changes. Let's begin. 1. The anchor touch. The one that melts her defenses. Most men hug like they're greeting a coworker. Arms around, tap tap, done, safe, polite, forgettable. But if you want her to feel something deeper, you need the anchor touch. When you pull her in, place one hand, just one, firmly on her upper back, right between her shoulder blades, not lower, not hesitant, not soft. Right there, the psychological center of security for women. This is where her body stores tension, where she carries the weight of her day, where she subconsciously craves support and strength. When you place your hand there with firm, grounded pressure, something primal happens in her nervous system. This spot sends a subconscious message. I've got you. You're safe. You're with a man. Women melt into this without even realizing it. Here's why it works. From an evolutionary perspective, women are hardwired to seek protection and stability. That specific spot on her back triggers her sense of being covered, sheltered, held. It's the same instinct that makes a woman feel safer walking behind a man than in front of him. The same reason she sleeps better when she's the little spoon. Your firm hand on her upper back taps into that deep ancient programming, and the beauty of it, she doesn't consciously know why she feels so good. She just does. She might think, wow, his hugs feel different. I feel so comfortable around him. I don't know what it is, but I just want to be close to him. Never underestimate the power of a confident, well-placed hand. And before you think this is too simple, wait till you hear what happens when you combine this with technique number 3. That's when her breathing changes. 2. Hold her for half a second longer than expected. This is the moment she feels your intention, not needy, not desperate, not clingy, just half a second longer. Think about how most hugs happen. Quick embrace, quick release, move on. It's mechanical, transactional, emotionless. But when you hold her just slightly longer than the social norm dictates, everything shifts. A woman can feel the difference between I'm hugging you because it's polite and I'm hugging you because I like the way you feel in my arms. That extra half second is the psychological pause that creates emotional imprinting. It makes her body remember you longer than she admits. Here's what happens in her mind. First, she notices, oh, he's still holding me. Then she questions, does he like this? Then she feels a warm flush of flutter, curiosity. This isn't about trapping her. This isn't about making her uncomfortable. It's about showing her that you're not afraid of intimacy, that you're comfortable in close physical proximity with a woman you're attracted to, that you can hold space without apology. Most men release too early because they're nervous. They're worried about coming across as weird or creepy, so they rush through the hug like they're defusing a bomb. But that nervousness, she feels it, and it kills attraction instantly. When you hold her with confidence for that extra half second, you're saying, I'm a man who knows what he wants, and I'm not ashamed of wanting you. That's powerful. That's magnetic. That's the kind of energy that makes her think about you long after you've let go. But the timing of when you release her, that's the part men always get wrong, and we're getting to that. 3, the slow exhale, the hidden dominance cue women love. As you hug her, take a slow, calm breath out, deep, relaxed, controlled. This is a masculine energy signal that tells her subconscious, this man is comfortable with intimacy. He's not nervous, he's centered. Women pick up on masculine stability like a radar. They can sense when you're tense, when you're holding your breath, when you're in your head, overthinking every micro movement your body gives you away. But when you breathe slowly and deeply, when your chest rises and falls in a calm, steady rhythm, she feels it. Your slow exhale triggers her parasympathetic nervous system. Her body literally relaxes because of your energy. She feels safe, held, desired, grounded. This is the power of nervous system co-regulation. When you're calm, she becomes calm. When you're grounded, she feels grounded. When you're present, she drops into the moment with you. Think about how women describe the men they're deeply attracted to. He just has this calming presence. I feel so peaceful around him. He makes me feel like everything's going to be okay. That feeling doesn't come from words. It comes from energy, from breath, from embodied masculine presence. Your slow exhale during a hug is one of the most underrated tools of attraction. It shows her you're not reactive, you're not desperate, you're not performing, you're just there, fully present, comfortable in your own skin. And here's the secret. If a woman relaxes in your arms, she bonds with you emotionally faster than you think. Relaxation equals trust, trust equals connection, connection equals desire. But don't worry, the 4th technique is the real knockout, the one she never for the cheek graze effect, the desire trigger. Okay, this is the one women never confess. When you hug her, gently turn your head so your cheek brushes hers just slightly. Not sexual, not aggressive, just a subtle graze. Her brain interprets it as intimacy, closeness, connection. This activates the psychological trigger women feel. With men they trust and desire. It's soft, it's intimate, and it lingers in her mind. Here's why this works. Physical touch on the face is deeply personal. It's vulnerable. It's reserved for people we're emotionally close to. When your cheek grazes hers during a hug, you're crossing a subtle but powerful threshold. You're moving from friendly to intimate territory, and her body registers that shift immediately. She'll replay that tiny moment over and over. Did he mean to do that? Was that intentional? Why do I keep thinking about it? And here's the twist. That micro feeling makes her imagine what it would feel like to kiss you. And once that thought enters her mind, she cannot unthink it. You've planted a seed, a curiosity, a possibility. Now she's wondering. Now she's noticing your lips when you talk. Now she's paying attention to your proximity in a way she wasn't before. The cheek raise is subtle seduction. It's planting desire without demanding it. It's invitation without pressure. Combine all 4 of these in one hug, and you become unforgettable. How to put all 4 together for maximum effect. Pull her in confidently, anchor touch on her upper back, hold her half a second longer, slow, steady exhale, cheek graze, soft, intimate, natural. This creates a psychological cocktail of safety, desire, closeness, emotional imprinting. You're not forcing anything. You're awakening what she already wants to feel. Let's walk through it one more time, step by step. Step 1, initiate the hug with purpose. Don't ask permission with your eyes or your body language. Just move in with calm confidence. Step 2, as you pull her in, place your dominant hand firmly on her upper back, right between her shoulder blades. Your other hand can rest naturally on her side or lower back, but the anchor is the upper back. Step 3, hold her there. Don't rush. Don't pull away the second your bodies touch. Stay present. Count to 3 in your head if you need to. Let her feel your stability. Step 4, as you hold her, take 1 deep, slow breath out. Let your chest expand and contract naturally. This isn't about dramatic breathing. It's about being calm and embodied. Step 5, as you begin to release, turn your head just slightly so your cheek brushes against hers. Step 6, release her slowly. Don't jerk away. Let the separation be gradual, intentional. When you do this correctly, something magical happens. She steps back from the hug, feeling different, warmer, more aware of you, more curious. Women love a man who knows how to hug. It makes her feel understood without words and desired without pressure. It shows her you're not like other men, you're not awkward, you're not scared, you're not performative, you're grounded, you're present, you're dangerous in the best possible way. If you enjoyed this breakdown of female psychology, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You never want to miss the next truth I reveal. And check out the other videos on this channel for more hidden psychology, attraction secrets, and masculine energy training. Trust me. If you like this one, the next one will pull you even deeper into the truth women never say out loud. Because here's what I know. Most men go their entire lives never understanding how women think. They miss the signals, they misread the cues, they wonder why nothing ever clicks. But you're here. You're learning. You're becoming the kind of man women can't stop thinking about. So keep watching, keep learning, keep becoming.